See, if you're going to come into this process and you expect to take back your return of investment in 1 month or 3 months or 5 months, that's not the mindset I want you to enter. Of course, there is a big possibility that you can. You're going to start this business under your own brand name. It is you who has to bring leads to your own business. It is you who's going to do all the works of converting it to the client, talking to the client, and closing bookings. So if you're able to convert a 20 people group to Thailand with just 5,000 rupees markup per person, you can earn 1 lakh just from that one transaction. So 2 departures like this, you could cover up the fee that you're paying me. Correct? So the point is not about the fee. The point is about you getting to start a business under your own brand name, which you can function from your house, number one. And number two, I want you to remember business is a timeline process. If you're going to come in just for 3 months, commit yourself and then exit, you're the one who's not going to benefit. But if you're there for the longer run and you keep just posting my content, you will start slowly and steadily getting inquiries, and through confirmations, you're going to profit out of it. So I want you to come in with the mindset and clear clarification, because probably you're in a work culture and you're coming into a business. Business is always a timeline process. The more you're invested in it, the more profits you're going to make. Hope this has given you some highlight about business, and this is not the business problem only for this particular industry. It's pretty much for everywhere. Even if you start a restaurant or a clothing store, you need to give in a timeline to generate repeated clients, to make sure that they keep coming back and wait for them to come back for your purchase. For that, you need to be there, and you need to make sure to service them when the clients are reaching out to you. So it's a process. This is a general business statement, not specifically for this course or travel business. A general business statement. I want you to come with that mindset when you join. Got it?